Hello, and welcome to another code dev stream or game dev stream. It's been a night already. So, I have some. Hello, Kevin Evans. I have some cool things. I will be uh, using a fire stick tonight, hopefully. And then this new or Cars of Wonder. I made some updates for it, but then I also broke the leaderboards, and I don't know how to fix it. Um, so yeah, I looked at my other skill, and that's working fine. Um, so well, I just had this idea. I got to bring it off screen for just a second. You can watch my beautiful background for a minute. So the only thing I can think of is possibly my tournament and match ID on game on is messed up for some odd reason. I don't know why that would be. Um, but so we have this my leaderboards thing, and this looks to be exactly a copy of copy. So that's not a problem. I go to leaderboards handler. Well, I guess maybe in here. Yeah, leaderboards intent handler. Okay. Wait, leaderboards handler. Okay. So that's all good. Um, I go to leaderboards handler and go scroll up to the top. I did notice this. I already got rid of this. Um, but then pretty sure everything here is identical. $57 is, yep, leaderboard session leaderboard. Yep, that's the same. Oh, maybe. No, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's right. That's right. And ooh, this one has 89 for exports, and this one's 90. How about this return? That's off by 1. How about 57? Well, this is off by 1. Oh, you know what? No. What is it? Right here. Right here. I do not have this line here. Okay, that'd be pretty cool if it was just that one line that I had to delete. But anyways, so some cool things I implemented in Cards of Wonder is the strings. For the most part, you can tell that there is some strings here and there. I do have most of the strings still in the handlers just in case something happens, and yeah. So I just had everything backed up pretty much. Or for some odd reason, the device could not read an APLA JSON for some odd reason. Then they could default to the strings within the handlers themselves. So I have everything in this strings doc right here. I've been working on trying to get it translated into Spanish so I could have a Spanish skill. That's why I did this, and then what I think is one of the coolest things is um so where is it? So on cards list, okay, this is done. I can probably I'll be brave and say that fixed it. So in cards list, I there is one problem with my visual game. People that cannot see my game, and then if you cannot see my game, you cannot sell a card. But I remedied that, but you still have to have a visual device. If they have accessibility on, um, I mean, they can. I think I passed it. First off, all the tabs at the top have accessibility labels. So common cards, uncommon cards, and rare cards. The the main data just has a label also just saying that what it is. Although I noticed that if I tried to say out this section here, it would not. Oh, I know why. Huh. Okay. Anyways, if I put a accessibility label here, it would probably work. I think. Or did I try it here? No, I did try it here. Yeah, the accessibility label would not pick up the updated information that is set below. So um, so what I did is when you touch the cards, and this whole row has another a label. It's called card list. So that if they touch on the bottom portion of it, it'll say card list. And then if you touch a single card, it will output the card ID. So it'll say card ID is blah blah blah. So then those who cannot see properly or are legally blind can still sell a card with a accessibility enabled on their device. Um, and I'll actually show you that I won't show it on the device, but I have accessibility on my device, so you can hear it. Alexa, open Cards of Wonder, and then we can also try out the leaderboards. Hopefully that works.
Cards of Wonder. To battle your cards, just say, let's battle, or you can say, player versus player, to play against a random player.
My cards.
Selling cards if you are low on Wonder Coins. Just say, card ID is Celestial 3. Card ID is Celestial 3. Card, card ID is Katari 8.
You can hear that, I'm guessing.
Card ID is Fallen 3. Card ID is Katari 8.
So this I think will be
card
an
ID,
excellent.
card ID, card ID is Human 1. Card ID is Monster 12. Card ID is Monster 12.
Really great.
Card ID is Monster 12.
Alexa,
Double.
sell Monster 12.
Here are common cards. You have 108 common cards. You just sold the bottom feeder card and your total Wonder Coins are now 355.
Leaderboards.
If you haven't battled yet, you can fix that.
That.
Thanks for playing. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for daily rewards.
So I updated the thank you for playing thing also, and then some other. So the strings I did change up a little bit, so you might hear some new ones. I'm upset that leaderboards isn't working. Why? I don't know why this keeps on repopulating all this stuff. this one right here, which is get leaderboard, and Alexa player and handler input.
Searching YouTube.
Alexa, quit. All right. Why is this constantly? Oh, so it loops over the data. That's why it constantly spews out stuff. But then it as a empty one. I wonder if just mine is all messed up. Evan Evans, you should really try out my skill to see if the leaderboards are messed up for you, or if it's just me. I'm going to look at my data here. Hopefully there isn't anything sensitive here. So it's saying if you want to play, say blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's my error handler telling me there's something wrong. So I'm guessing it has to be my sensitive data. So we will look into that after this show. Ah, boy. So badly wanted to. Well, we can still try it out. Um, with our nice. Okay. I'm gonna try out Cards of Wonder 2, Cow 2, which is my demo thing. And I believe I've unlocked dev settings and everything. So open Cow 2. It was smooth.
Welcome back to Cards of Wonder. To battle your cards, just say, let's
I don't
battle,
think
or you
all
can
the
say,
APL is
player versus player, to
necessarily
play against a
smooth. I
random
was going
player.
to. Oh, okay, so this works. I didn't know this works. This is the first time using it
Welcome back to Cards of Wonder.
on here.
Too many of the same card. Try selling some back to me. Now what would...
Yeah, none of these are become highlighted. Oh, there we go. Oh, looks like I can scroll through these. Let's sell Katari 5.
Here are your common cards. You have 19 common cards. You just sold the Vampire Thrall card and your total Wonder coins are now 762.
Leaderboards.
Your score for Instantly Glamorous Sparrow is 33. Would you like to play against a player? If so, say player versus player.
See, it works just fine here. Besides missing stuff. But
Your
yeah.
score for Instantly Glamorous Sparrow is 33. Would you like to play against a player? If so, say player versus
Yeah, I'm
player.
thinking game on stuff got messed up. Buy cards.
You just bought 5 cards for 100 Wonder coins. You have a total of 662 Wonder coins. Now, what would you like to do? Buy more cards, or check out your cards by saying, my cards?
Yeah, because we looked at both of the
You just bought 5 cards for 100
um
Wonder coins. You have 662 Wonder coins. To battle, just say,
all
let's
the all
battle.
the docs and documents and the things, and nothing seems to be broken. Uh, I said documents, and then I was just thinking, what about this one? So I'm glad the Fire TV worked really well, and it worked well on a dev skill. So I, I'm happy about that. So 602, 602. Yeah, nothing is changed in either of these. So I will look afterwards. I'm just gonna. go here and immediately click off because I have no idea what's on there. What codes and whatnot. Pretty sure there's nothing on the main menu, but never know. Okay, so where were we? It is 8:30. Okay, that's great. Um, Space Marauders. So the idea for tonight was to square away the inventory process. So you can get uh, inventory from a box of some sort, uh, but that after you have it, then what? And I already went through a bunch of polling on this, where how to deal with inventory. My biggest thing is that we don't. We usually don't want to, just keep on spouting out information at the user because they'll get bored with it. So, but usually, besides the initial crate you get, you don't hear you just hear the names of the items you're getting and that you got, and then it should then then it will automatically put those into your inventory into the correct slots. And I know I have a program for I'm pretty sure I do. Well, we'll see in a second. Where you have a inventory and you say like install inventory or install piece or something like that, it will add it to your inventory that you're wearing or not wearing, that you're using. So to me, um, I'm thinking is when you get a new crate, it'll be just one item. That item will pop up and say, or it will say, this is named Blood. Uh, it has the power of +5 and it's a ranged weapon. Your current weapon is also named Blood, and it's a power of 3, and it's a ranged weapon. If you wish to equip this new piece, say blah blah, equip or something like that. Um, and then, and then, and then, so that other piece that you unequipped goes back into your inventory, but I think I should tag it. So, like when you get to, which we haven't really thought of, when you either get back to the ship or get to a vendor of some sort, that's when you can sell your items. And I'm going to say that any unequipped item, that's what you're going to sell. So you can just say sell items, and it'll sell everything that was in the unequipped items inventory section, if that makes sense. So there's a lot I just said that I don't have even close to being ready. Um, so let's go. First off, we have the open box. Open box. That's just opening the box. So we need to change a little bit of uh, what uh, what happens when a new box gets opened. Um, with a single item in it. All right. So, faction chest equals true. Hmm. Sorry, I'm just trying to catch up on here. I wrote this a long time ago. Plus, it doesn't help that I have two different. Uh, what is it called? Oh. Okay. So, I was for the longest time I was wondering why this down here kept on being uh said, and it's because if it's not faction chess, it's an else. So this else is running, uh, even though I have this if up here. So I actually need this to be else if. So there, if this one, it'll run this one, or lastly this one. There we go. Okay. At least we got somewhere tonight, huh? All right, so this is your initial equipment that gets okay, and then push to equipped. Okay. So we need for push to equip, we need the equipment, the slot it's going into, and then handler input. Uh and that's all we need to equip it, essentially. Um and I do not think we have a not seeing an equip handler. So let's make one. Good there. I'm gonna put it in same spot here. That one's good there too. Now we just need to just copy this. All right. And that. Um, oh snap. Ah. Control Z does not always work. There we go. You have to keep on doing it until it does work. All right. So, oh, that's not exactly what we need. No. Okay. Okay. I have way too many things open here. Oh, that was weird. Okay. Oh, I know what we need. Go back here. No, not here. Here. So, I do not see that the inventory has this in them. So, I think we need it though, right? Because if we pass what slot it is, then we can grab that slot and utilize it when we equip it. Yep. You know, Avengers is the main reason I decided to do this. All right. So what do we want to call it? The slot? Oops. I'm not going to do them all. I'm just going to do, a few. And I know it's very small, but I can get a lot more on the page and do a lot more faster. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why am I on United Stars already? I think there's. Huh? Oh, I'm a dork. Because I'm doing only slot one. I do not know how that happened. I hit control and then click, and then I pasted it, uh and there's like two, what is it called? Two blinky line things. I mean, this ain't going that bad. I don't know how it is for you guys, but uh I thought this was going pretty quick. Oops. All right. That's enough. So I'll do that. I'll have the slot and then slot 1 or slot 2, so on and so forth. Oops. And then because then third time's a charm, we can do excuse me, push to equipped, and then so um, we need to wait IMV. Oh, I do not have this being exported. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, no, I did grab it. Good. And then Get faction, loot, or ooh. So actually, we open it in this open box handler. So when we open it, we have to save it. Oh, we do. I was thinking thinking ahead. Wait, no, not just the loot name. Right. Oh, I'm set. Okay. So when you when we get to this function, uh all the user is going to say yes, equip or equip this or something like that. And so that's all we're going to be doing. And then so we should be able to do the item, and then the item dot the slot, and then handler input, and boom, that was it, done. And then the assistant can say, okay, it has been equipped or something like that. It has been equipped, and then uh I put your unequipped item into your cell inventory, something like that. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good stopping point. Um, so next week I will be out. Same with my pretty much all my streams except for D&D on Wednesday will not be happening. D&D will be happening on Wednesday, 7 p.m. Central Time, more like 7:30 usually, or 8. But um, so that will be happening next week. Then it's the holiday, and after Christmas, which is I believe on Saturday, I may do a 26 one. I may not. I'm not sure yet. So if we do, we probably will do only Christmas skills. Um, but we'll see. We'll see if that one happens. Uh, and then that following week, in between Christmas and New Year's, should be just like normal. Um, but I'm going to be heavily working on this. So hopefully in the new year, cross my fingers and knock on wood that this should be live. Hopefully, well, not be live, but you know, trying to get live. So, Kevin, thank you as always. And look for hopefully a post on I'll do a tweet when my leaderboards are fixed. Hopefully it has to do with my something on Game On or something. So uh so yeah. Uh have a good rest of your week, everyone.